Okay, so I'm going to take down my updo because I'm done for the day. I'm in for the night. So I'm going to attempt to take down my updo, but I'm going to talk to you a little bit about what I did. So in the back, and I know this won't be a good view, I don't have anybody to take a back photo, so y'all bear with me. But I did basically an internal braid, or you could do a basket weave and take all the hair back here to go up to a high messy bun. Okay, that's what this is up here. But let me show you how I created this little bang here. Okay, I literally just had a little bitty rubber band. Okay, and after I took everything, so this was my messy bun. Okay, I got basically a ponytail, don't even match. Okay, ponytail holder here, and because my hair was curled and it's long enough, I just kind of balled it in so that it would stay kind of, you know, contained within the bun. But this is how much hair I left out. Okay, you see how much I left out here, right? Now you could do all kind of stuff with this. Now that I think about it, you could swoop this. Oop, that's a style right there. I could do that. Split it. I don't know if this is gonna look right, but you can split it. You could do some stuff like that and loop this around and then do some embellishments and do some pins and stuff. You can swoop it this way without poking my eye out. I mean, you can rock with this, okay? And see how it look. I just pushed that around, tucked that in there. But look at what I could do with this, okay? But I digress. But anyway, I had all this loose. And so what I did was I attempted to go here, okay, and create this little petal, okay? And I'm gonna bring this up a little bit more because I know I need more up here. And see how I just literally just created a poof there, okay? And from here, I went through and I just opened it up a little bit, okay? And I went through, and of course I'm not gonna be able to duplicate this because trying to do this on camera, okay? But you see the concept here, where if you pull enough through, okay, and you get it thick enough, you can start to see the bang form, okay? And all you're wanting to do is conceal your little band there. So, you know, you want it to flop enough so that it falls over your rubber band, okay? And then you also want it to blend in nicely with this part here. And then you can just tease those curls a little bit. Okay, but see how you want that to flop over it. And then of course, if you want to get fancy, you can just, you know, the hair is longer, so you can pull it. Okay. You can make it as long as you want it to be. But then you always have to go back and adjust so that your rubber band is not showing. And you can make it as tight as you want to, or you might want to flip it to this side. Okay, got it. So look, y'all see that? That's high fashion right there. But see how you can't even see. And of course, if you had bobby pins, if you needed to, you could tuck it down, or if you had stray curls here, you could tuck it. But I just imagine like for a wedding or something, you could probably do like little embellishments like with flowers and stuff and come all around in there. If, you know, set the little, you know, set the veil here and then drape. Y'all look at me creating a style, because I don't style. And I'm telling you, my styles that I come up with, they end up being by accident. Okay, and then you got the pin up back here. And all you would do is just tuck, because it's already curly here. Because remember, these are falling curls here. So you could make this as big and as loose as you wanted it to. You could even make it into an actual ponytail if you wanted to really get fancy, or if you wanted to bring it down a little bit further so it rests a little bit lower. You could do something like that. Can y'all see where I'm going with this? So listen, we can do some updos with our locks, right? Okay, simple, easy peasy. So now I'm about to take this down and I'm about to get on my sweats and I'm about to go watch some TV. All right, so y'all have a good one. Mwah. And don't forget to. Thanks for watching.